Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn some essential English vocabulary for beginners. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we'll look at 5 important words. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Word 1, apple. This is an apple. It's a fruit. Repeat, apple. Word 2, dog. This is a dog. It's a pet. Repeat, dog. Word 3, book. This is a book. We read it. Repeat, book. Word 4, happy. This means feeling good. Repeat, happy. Word 5, house. This is where we live. Repeat, house. Now, let's use these words in sentences. I have an apple. My dog is friendly. I love reading a book. I feel happy today. My house is big. Great job. Now, let's practice. I will say a word, and you can make a sentence with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.